Yes, okay. Now share.
This is visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Mm.
Okay, so last day, what you have done, please show the last code.
Mm. Mm. Yes, sir. That program. Yes, sir. That one.
Okay. So some kind of form, right? No, not form actually. Yeah, form. First name, last name, gender. Okay. Okay, now run this. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Within the form, we can just starting today. Today we move forward. So okay, just do this program. We are continuing the forms, HTML forms.
Here I create a new
Yes,
file.
yes, yes,
Or
definitely. Yes, you can create new file.
it is a HTML form. First name, last name, submit.
Just click on the submit button.
Okay.
Because we cannot get because we don't see any database. So that's why we don't connect in database with that form. So that's why it is cannot get.
Yes.
Okay.
So can you take TH, TR, TD, that tables example?
Yes,
Actually, it is
yes.
in
So
tutorial.
that is the most structured way actually. If you
Yes,
use
yes.
TR and TD, that is the most structured way how to make the forms. Just wait and give. Yeah, that is the thing. Okay, I'm in a separate two ways. I am sending the form actually because at a time it cannot go. This email. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Now, just see the second portion I have no. It is the second portion I have sent in the chat box. Okay, that is the TR and TDs. Okay, next.
Sir, how it is coming to the this line in
Which
line
line? Okay, so
on
the same border actually.
it is the center or
No, it is not the syntax. When in the moment when you give and inside the form TR and TD tags and inside the label tag actually, it is coming because of the
yes.
label tag.
Okay, okay.
Label means all the input will actually starting from the same position,
Okay.
same borderline
Label it.
position actually.
Uh-huh.
That's why it is showing the then because of the label tag.
Mm.
Next, I'm giving this thing.
All in one line.
Yes, only.
Here you are not using TDTR, so that's why. No?
Yes, you are not using the TDTR. It is for online because of the label tag.
Okay. Input type means we are giving input, right?
Yeah, input type. Yeah, input type means we are giving the inputs. Input means what type of input you are giving. It may be text, It is maybe email.
Email.
Yeah. If you give the telephone number, then you can give the number input type.
Okay.
Or the roll number also you can give the number. That's why it is called the input type.
Okay.
Okay, now moving to the next. Now we are coming to the iframe tag. Frame set, actually it is called the frame set tag.
Mhm.
The frame set tag is in HTML actually used to define the frame set actually. Contains one or more frame elements. This tag actually contains one or more frame elements. So the example. It is not coming. Okay, actually it is the PNG because you don't have that picture, so that's why it is not showing actually that picture.
Yes.
That's why it is not showing the
Use for what is the use of frame tag?
frame tag is mainly used to create three vertical frames actually. Left,
Okay.
center, and right. Three vertical frames actually it will produce with the frame set tag. That is the usage of the frame set tag.
Okay.
Now we are going to the HTML class attribute. We can declare the class now. This I am giving the link.
Class.
Yes, yes. That is the class actually. Dot country is the class. If you mention the class, suppose here the H2 class equals to country, and that how we can define that class, the country class dot country. When you define the in HTML, when you define any class, so how can you define any class? You can define just dot and then the class name, dot country. Then you can give the
Okay.
background color, you can give the color, you can give the padding.
Okay.
Understand? Okay, now move to the next. Yes, now given the next. See the chat box.
By using for loop.
Yes, by using for loop. Here actually we are using the script tag. Actually, we are using little bit JavaScript we are using. When we learn the JavaScript, then you can understand. But right now we are using some function in the JavaScript function, my function, and a country. We just run this. Let's see how it is coming. Yes. Now you can hide the elements. You can click on the yes. You can hide. You can hide all the country. You can refresh. And yes. Now we will go to the HTML ID attributes. HTML ID attributes. Now we have to identify the specific HTML element by its ID using HTML ID attribute. Okay, how we can use the ID attribute? I am giving you the first small code. Okay, so here, see, now do this code.
ID for which purpose we use?
Yeah, ID is ID actually we will use just like we will use the class. That's why we will use the ID. Here we can use the ID geeks. The ID is actually used. We can know identify the specific HTML element by its ID. Suppose we have so many elements, but to identify the elements, we can use the ID using the HTML ID attribute.
Okay.
Yeah, so for identify the HTML element, specific HTML element by its ID. Suppose you have one employee ID, right? With this employee ID, you can be identified for this for you are this number employee. That kind of thing. You know, we will do the date time tab. How we can mention or display the date and time with the HTML. You just click on this and you can see on calendar is there.
Calendar.
Yeah, yeah, and you can choose the date, time, and year, and then you can submit after that. Yes.
It becomes like that.
Yes.
Button you are using in that.
Yes, yes, button I am using. I am using the button get element by ID dob dot valid. So in JavaScript actually I am using in line number 13 to line number 18. But actually I am here using the ID that is called dob to identify the specific element. And I am also give the type date because I'm display the date, so that's why I'm give the input type date. My ID dob after that date display function. In the moment I am clicking the button, it will display the date and time.
Mhm.
Okay. Now using the HTML5 summary tag actually. Okay, what the summary tag is doing, the HTML summary tag is used to define a summary actually. Summary means the end talk or something like some kind of paragraph or anything. Used to define a summary for the details element.
Okay.
Okay, let's give the examples in order to understand. if you do this. See, in the moment you click this, it will give the details about that.
Yes.
That is that. Okay, now to do the next one. Next is again for the summary example actually. Yes, can just yeah, you have to toggle. Can you toggle the content? Go again in the browser. Click me on to toggle content. Yes.
Either.
Yes.
Sir, how to use a Mercury tag?
Yes. How to use
Mercury tag.
which tab? Actually, I can understand.
Mercury.
Can you write? Can you write in the chat box? It's a marquee tag.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I'm just giving an example. Okay, marquee tag actually, what is the function of the marquee tag? Marquee tag in HTML is used to create scrolling text or images on a web page. Suppose if you scrolling the one web page, how can you do that? You can use the marquee tag.
Yeah.
So maybe it is horizontally scrolling, maybe it is vertically scrolling, whatever the thing is, but for the scrolling, actually you can use the marquee tag. Okay, when I am giving the example of market time. That is the market time.
It is not loading.
It is not
Loading
showing.
here.
Go again VS Code.
Not
I think you don't copy the whole code actually. Yes, I think you don't copy the whole code. See the second part I have given in the chat.
it is going to upward side.
Yeah, it is going upwards. And you can also give the direction down. Just give the direction down. Direction here it is up, and you can give down. In line number 32.
Mm. When I give here the right or left, it is not working.
Yeah, this downside is not.
No, I give here the left.
You give left. Okay. Yeah, for left actually it should work. Okay, go to code again. Go the code again. Okay, save this first of all.
Yes.
Without save the file, because if you don't save the file, it cannot run. It will run the old code actually. That's why.
It is not sure.
Okay, go again VS Code. Yeah, it is now coming.
It's coming like that. Any time duration, I think, given here.
Yes. Time duration is also good.
Yes. Makes sense.
Yes, that is a marquee tag.
Yes.
Okay, now I come to the SVG actually. SVG tag. This example. Okay, SVG tag actually, advantage of the SVG tag, advantage of using SVG tag over other image format. Actually, one kind of image actually, you can see. Just like the JPG, it is just like the SVG. Yes, it is just on the line.
Yes.
Another SVG example, you can also draw one rectangle actually with the SVG tag.
Yes, sir. You are giving your width, height.
Hmm.
It is rectangle shape you are
Yeah,
giving
yeah, it
here.
is rectangle. Yes.
And SVG,
Yeah, it is the SVG tag actually. Within the SVG tag, I am using the width height, and after that, in the rectangle, the RGC rect, then give the width and height 400 and 100. After that,
SVG means
SVG, it is the one kind of tag actually. SVG means just like suppose you are using a JPG in the image format. It is one kind of image format. One
okay,
kind of image format. We can use the image in our website.
okay.
Okay, now we are using the viewport actually. Responsible web design. How we can do the responsive web design. And I have given the two parts.
Yes, Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, now go again. Run again. Run the file again.
Mm.
Yes.
Next one.
Yes, I'm giving. Now responsive web design. Can give it. Yes. Next time. Run again. Yes.
Container.
Yes, we are using the container.
Yes.
And then you are just listing the 3 buttons, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. 3 buttons are there inside the class container. 3 buttons, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I'm giving the next example. Yes.
Hyperlink. Yes.
Yes. Here is hyperlink.
Mm. You are giving a footer tag.
Yes, I'm giving the footer tag.
Yes, okay. Use of footer tag, sir.
The use of the footer tag actually, when you see any website, okay, just stop share screen. Let me share. Okay, here, if you see any kind of website, suppose IRCTC, this is. Okay, so this is the one website. So this is the header actually. This portion is actually header. In a static website, we have three components. One is header, footer, and body. This is the header section actually. And after this is the body section, all about the advertisements and all. This is the body section. This is the all body section. And after that, this section, from this section, this is called footer tag. This section is called the footer tag. So there are basically three components in a basic skeleton of a website. The three components are header, footer, and body. So this is the footer section. Inside the footer section, you can add so many links, so many components, and so many links in the footer tag. Understand? Okay, understand, Nisha? Hello. Hello. Rajat, can you hear my voice?
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay, so now I understand what is footer.
Foot the login register, that part it is continuously on.
Yeah, in a basic website, there is three things. One is header, another is body, and another is footer.
Okay.
This is the footer section actually. This is the footer section. You can add all the components there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, let's stop sharing screen. You can continue sharing. Okay.
Can I share?
Yes, yes, share. Okay, just wait for 1 minute. I am coming.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, now share the screen. Hello, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now do the next program.
You are using her article tag.
Yes, I'm using the article tag here. When you write anything, any paragraph type thing in your website, so you can add the article tag. That means some kind of paragraph tag or article tag you can use. So now we are going to the navigation bar. How to add the navigation bar in our website. This is the navigation bar. This is very important actually, how to add the navigation bar or we can say the nav bar actually. Nav bar means the navigation bar.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is the navigation bar actually. Inside the navigation bar, you have so many components, and inside that components, you can click the components and see what are the components. It is your home, about us, contact us. You see any website, so you can see the navigation bar.
It is just like link. We have to use
Yes,
any
yes.
link.
Inside the
Edit.
inside the component, inside the navigation bar, you can use the so many components and so many links.
Okay.
Next. Just a time view. Okay, now translate attribute to here. Sure. Yes. Numbers.
Why you are using here strong?
Yeah, actually, I am using here strong because of the boldness of the translate attribute or emphasize the thing. That's why I'm using the strong tag. Or the emphasize the translate attribute. See that it is more dark actually.
Mhm.
That's why I'm using the strong tag, or you can use the EMP tag or the emphasize tag.
Can I
The
use
both are
here?
actually same. No, not here. In the tag, in line number 16.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
What can I use here?
EMP tag.
Yeah. Yes.
Hmm. Now, first of all, save this. Then
Yes.
the actually the art is same. Whatever it is translated to or the strong or emphasize. Okay, now you use the section tag because section tag is also very important when you use any building in website. But section tag is very important.
Yes. It is divided into sections.
Yes. The section 1, section 2, and section 3. The three sections actually partitioned. and do another section tag example. Within this tag you can use because it is the same thing, so no need to create another file.
Create another file or here
Yes, just delete this, and then do the new code.
yes, sir.
Hmm.
Come.
View the section, and inside the section there is some subsection actually.
Next one.
Hmm. Okay, now we move to the CSS actually, because more or less our HTML is end. So we move to the
Today or
CSS.
tomorrow?
Yeah, a little bit start the CSS today, but next day we will briefly discuss about the CSS. We just little bit start today. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so tell me what is CSS?
It is a cascading style sheet.
Hmm. What it can
Mm,
do?
it is used to design a website, add style, um, and make a
Okay.
page
Hmm.
look very beautiful in that.
Hmm. For the styling purpose actually.
Yes, sir.
You can give any color, you can give any styling. If you want, you can use the CSS. That's called cascading style sheet.
Yes.
Okay, you can just create another folder because this is the HTML actually. So you can just create another folder for the CSS.
Yes, sir, I created.
Yes, you can create on .css file. No, also you can use the .html file because inside the HTML you can also use the CSS.
Okay.
Because internals we can use the internal CSS also, and we can use the external CSS also. For internal CSS, we can just only make on HTML file. But if you use the external CSS, then you have to create the .css file
Yes, sir.
and give the link of that CSS file into the HTML file.
Mhm.
Okay, now let's start with that example. There are so many properties and attributes are there in the CSS. There's background color, display flex. So many styling options are there. Yeah, just see it is the starting. Yeah, basic web page. Just look. Yeah, into the title tag. Title inside title tag it is the example. And after that, you're just using the style tag. Inside the style tag, the main, then width, height, padding, and background. You're using the background color, and then we
We
are
are
using
given
the H1.
yes, sir.
Yes, we are giving the H1 tag, then color, border, bottom, and P tag for font family and color. Not sorry, P tag. It is the class actually for the paragraph tag. And then after that, the inside the main, my first page, and this is the basic web page. In the paragraph tag, we have written. Yes, this is we can use the CSS. Inside the main tag, we can use all the things. Height, width,
No, sir.
padding, and background.
Over here, there's some kind of underline in dotted.
Yes, there is some kind of underline is there. Go to the VS.
So
Yes,
you are
yes.
using here.
Background village. You can change this also. Change this color.
Mm, okay. Next one.
And just change the color. Just do experiment.
Yeah.
Save this. Save the file. Hmm. The whole the background color actually it will change. The whole background color.
Mm, okay, sir.
Okay, and there are so many color format is there in the CSS. Built-in color or RGB format, RGBA format, hexadecimal notation, HSL and HSLA format.
Okay.
Because if you are using just using the phone. Yeah, yes, it is showing the green. You can change the color also.
Next one.
Yes. Just wait, I am giving. We just add these two lines. Here, just add these two lines. Inside the body. After line number 17, you can. Yes, it is. The text color is should be red. It is appearing.
Margin left.
Margin left. Yes, you can write. You can do margin center or margin right. You can do. This is called the inline CSS. Inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. These are three types of CSS is there.
Actually, it is not working.
Margin right, you can. Yes.
Hmm.
Now we do the internal CSS.
Where?
Yeah, we'll do instant. We will do the internal CSS.
Okay.
Internal CSS means you just add the style tag, and inside the style tag you can add the whole code on the properties of the CSS.
Okay. Next one.
Yes, next is external CSS. This is the last example today with the external CSS. Okay, first of all, create one file that is called mystyle.css. Create one file.
Which one?
Yeah, my style.css. My style, all very small. My style.css. Yes, just write the code here. Okay, now create another file. No, it is not running actually. It is the external CSS. Now we can add this CSS. Now create another HTML.
HTML file.
Yes, now create another HTML file. Now do that here. Okay, copy and paste any code. Copy and not only this, copy and paste from your previous code, and then add these two lines. Yeah, you can
That
copy
code?
and paste them. Yes. First of all, delete this.
What's that?
First of all, delete this. Delete line number 1, 2, 3. Yes, delete, and then add inside the body. Inside the body, you can add after line number 7. Or after line number 5, you can add line number 5. Yeah, after line number 5, you can add the. Yes. Okay, this is the heading tag actually giving. That's why.
It,
Okay, just
uh,
remove the heading tag. Remove the head tag.
Yes, the name.
The body and link.
Mm,
Okay, 1 second. Give me control. Actually, you give this not in the style tag. Not in the style tag. Inside the style tag, it is internal CSS.
okay.
But here the link you give my style.css, so you are accessing this file. You are accessing this file. This external file you access in this HTML code. In this HTML code. Style sheet,
Yes.
type text, then this file. This file. This is the external CSS. So now you can, okay, now you can run. Yes, now it is applying. See, it is in the, go to my style.css. Go to my style.css file. Yeah, this is the navy, light blue actually.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so today is up to this. We can see it in the next day again.
Yes. So can I stop
Okay.
sharing?
Yeah, you can stop sharing. Okay, so we'll see it next day again.